Retiring to Florida, you're not alone. Thousands move here every month. But buying a home here is very different than other states. Hi, I'm Lili Whittington with EXP Realty here in the Villages. Here's a step-by-step plan to buy a smart home in Florida in 2025. Define your retirement lifestyle is the first one. Do you want golf, gated, low maintenance? Do you prefer a 55 community or mid-age neighborhood? Make a list of must-have and deal breakers. This helps narrow down the search from the start. Step 2. Talk to a local lender or cash planner. Even if you're buying with cash, talk to a financial advisor. Florida has unique costs like CDDs, bonds, insurance, FHA, and it's all those costs that can affect your mortgage. Step 3. Choose your agent. That's me. Work with a realtor who understands retirees and relocation. I help you compare areas like the Villages, Ocala, and Claremont, and also explain the Florida-specific contracts, taxes, and insurance rules. It's just not that, it's a lot more. Step 4. Tour home virtually or in person. I offer virtual tours for out-of-the-state buyers and full relocation support. We schedule private showing, reviewing communities, amenities, and make sure you know exactly what to expect when you buy. Number 5, make the offer and protect your future. In Florida, contracts move fast. Most homes close in 30 days. I guide you through inspection, appraisals, and negotiation post-close costs. And yes, I look out for red flags like flood zones or old roofs. Final steps. Buying a retirement home doesn't have to be stressful. With the right plan and the right agent, you'll feel confident every step. Download my free Retirement to Florida home buyer guide below or schedule your 30 days minute discovery call today. I'm Lili Whittington and I help retirees to move the smart way here in Central Florida. Ready to retire, right? Let's talk.